Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Out YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about maxillary nerve in English. We have already discussed a video about the mandibular nerve, and now we will see the second branch of the trigeminal nerve, which is maxillary nerve. The maxillary nerve is a branch of trigeminal nerve. The trigeminal nerve is the fifth cranial nerve, which originates from the pons, and it moves from the pons. It moves front and rely on the trigeminal ganglion and divides into three. From the trigeminal ganglion, it divides into three. One is ophthalmic, another one is maxillary nerve, and another one is mandibular nerve. These are the three things of the trigeminal nerve. First branch is ophthalmic nerve, second branch is maxillary nerve, third branch is mandibular nerve. This mandibular nerve is already taught in this YouTube channel. I have already taught this mandibular nerve. Now you will see about the maxillary nerve in this video. The maxillary nerve, it is a sensory nerve. But in mandibular nerve, it is both sensory as well as motor nerve. But here the maxillary nerve is sensory nerve. Origin is from the trigeminal ganglion, and it comes out of the cranial cavity by foramen rotundum. It comes out of the cranial cavity by the foramen rotundum. So this maxillary nerve is also called as foramen rotundum nerve. From foramen rotundum, it comes out of the cranial cavity and travels in the pterygopalatine fossa and enters into the inferior orbital fissure. It travels to the pterygopalatine fossa and enters the inferior orbital fissure and travels anteriorly, comes of infraorbital foramen. It travels anteriorly and comes out by infraorbital foramen. The branches of the maxillary nerve are within the cranial cavity. Within the cranial cavity, there are two branches. There is a branch which is known as middle meningeal nerve. Travels along the middle meningeal artery and supplies the dura mater. This is the nerve which is a branch within the cranial cavity. Before the trigeminal nerve, before the maxillary nerve comes out of the cranial cavity, it gives a branch which is known as middle meningeal nerve. So these are the nerve which is present within the cranial cavity. Before coming out of the foramen rotundum, it gives a branch which is known as middle meningeal nerve. The pterygopalatine fossa, zygomatic nerve, pterygopalatine nerve, posterior superior alveolar. These are the three branches which comes from the pterygopalatine fossa. This is the area, and these are the three branches. The zygomatical nerve travels anteriorly and divide into zygomatico-temporal and zygomatico-facial. The pterygopalatine nerve supplies the four branches, which is periosteum of orbit, nose, palate, and pharynx. These are the four branches. The posterior superior alveolar nerve supplies the maxillary molars. Now, the third part, which is known as, the branches are divided into four parts. The first part is within the cranial cavity, second part is pterygopalatine fossa, and the third part is infraorbital canal, and the fourth part is branches of the face. Now you will see about the infraorbital canal. The infraorbital canal, from there, that gives two branches, which is middle superior alveolar nerve as well as anterior superior alveolar nerve. This middle superior alveolar nerve supplies mesiobuccal of the first maxillary molar and the premolar. It supplies the mesiobuccal of the first maxillary molar and the premolar. Anterior superior alveolar nerve supplies the maxillary anterior, which is canines and incisors. Now in branches in the face are inferior palpebral branch, which is in the lower eyelid. External nasal are lateral tip of the nose. Superior labial is upper lips. These are the branches which are present in the face. These are the branches of the maxillary nerve, and we have seen about the course and the introduction of the maxillary nerve in this video. I have already uploaded a video in mandibular nerve. Please do watch it. Thank you. That's all about the maxillary nerve. If you have any doubt in it, please do comment in the comment box. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.